Hey everyone, Randy Ahmad here. I'm standing on the front lawn of the hottest, greatest, latest listing happening here in Wesley Chapel. I'm standing at 7745 Timberview Loop in Wesley Chapel. If you're looking for maintenance-free living, this is it. The HOA will take care of the grass, it'll take care of the roof, it'll take care of the exterior lawn maintenance, so you don't have to worry about it. So you don't have to worry about mowing the lawn over the weekends or even worrying about turning on the sprinkler systems or anything like that. That's all taken care of as part of the HOA. One of the many features that you're going to love about this home is that one, that it sits on a corner lot. You've got privacy in the back, you've got your fence, so giving you privacy from your backyard neighbor. You've got your screened in patio right back there, right behind me. And there are lots of other features here, one of which is also that it's maintenance free. HOA will take care of the exterior of the home, so the roof, the painting of the exterior of the home. They'll take care of your lawn. You don't have to worry about irrigation. You don't have to worry about landscaping and mowing over the weekends, that sort of thing. It's all taken care of for you. Now, we've talked about the exterior of the home. Let's go inside and take a tour of the inside. You're going to love it.